Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, shrimp pan roast. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some butter in the wok. Add the onions and the garlic and saute. Add all the liquids and other goodies other than the shrimp and give it a good stir. Add the shrimp, cook them for a few minutes, and then add the cream. And add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste and give it a good stir, and the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Have fun cooking.